Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to go back in Excel. The quickest way to undo in Excel is with the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard, and Excel will immediately reverse the last action you made. You'll see your last change disappear from the worksheet. You can press Ctrl plus Z multiple times in a row. Each time you hit it, Excel steps back one more action. By default, Excel remembers your last 100 actions, so you can keep pressing Ctrl plus Z to step back through quite a bit of work. If you prefer using the mouse, look at the top left corner of your Excel window, just above the ribbon. You'll see a curved arrow pointing left. That's the undo button. Click it to reverse the last action. Hover over the button to see a description of the action that will be undone. If you want to undo several actions at once instead of pressing Ctrl plus Z repeatedly, click the small drop-down arrow right next to the undo button. Excel displays a list of all the recent actions you've performed across all your open workbooks. Click on the action you want to go back to, and Excel will undo everything from that point forward in one go. At the bottom of the dropdown, you'll see exactly how many actions are about to be undone. If you accidentally undo too much, press Ctrl plus Y on your keyboard, and Excel will redo the last action you undid. Alternatively, look for the Redo button, a curved arrow pointing right next to the Undo button on the toolbar. The Redo button is grayed out normally, but becomes active as soon as you've undone something. Just like with Undo, you can press Ctrl plus Y or click Redo multiple times to step forward through several actions. Here are a few important things to remember. You can undo changes even after you've saved your file, as long as you haven't closed it yet. Once you close Excel, your undo history is gone. Some actions can't be undone. Deleting an entire sheet or running a macro will wipe your undo stack, and Excel will warn you when that's about to happen. Save your work after undoing or redoing to preserve the corrected state. That's how you go back in Excel. Thanks for watching.